Hi there guys, welcome back to the video. So this video here, by the end of it, you should know how to approach your first month with a prop firm. The best way to do it in terms of trying to guarantee some decent money out of it. And obviously some of the mistakes that people may make when it comes to their funded challenge. So far this is now going to be episode 5 of the £100 to £50,000 Forex challenge. The first 2 episodes, as you can see here, they were just the £100 to 300. Episode 3 was the challenge, and episode 4 was the verification. This right here is going to be breaking down the first month of the funded account we've done, and then obviously following that the lessons which come from it. So first of all, how did the month do? So if we look here, this was the first trade that we took on the challenge. TP1 was hit for our members, so this trade was sent to the group. If you are interested in joining the group and obviously the positions that we take with these funded accounts, the links are in the bio. But besides that, obviously that's completely up to you. So what we did, we got this pretty much sniper entry on AU. On one account, this was FTMO on this account, so I think we dropped about 5 lots on the FTMO and 2.4 on the Fiddle Crest. What did that result in for the Fiddle Crest? If we look, this is the metrics for the Fiddle Crest account. As you can see, $50,400, so just under 0.5% was made on the account and from the trade. Or sorry, should I say 1%, should be made from the trade. So then following that, what we did is we took 0.01 positions for the rest of the days. Now, why did we do this? So Fiddle Crest themselves, they give you a refund on your challenge fee, which is obviously great. As well as that, they also gave you, I think it was 20% of your verification, which means if you made obviously 2,500, because it's 5% on the 50k, you got 20% of that. So what happened is you got, let's say, $500 plus the refund fee, which let's say was, just for argument's sake as well, 300 plus your payout. So what we was getting was a refund fee, a payout fee from the trade, and a payout fee from the verification. So what did this result in? If we look at the emails that Fiddle Crest sent us, the first one is this one. So it was Dear, and then they didn't put my first name. Your payout of $315 has been executed successfully. So that was the first one for the trade. The second one, your payout of 1,000 has been executed successfully. So it's basically with the refund fee and obviously the verification stats, it came out overall to about $1,000. So you got $1,000 for that. You got 300 as well for the trade. So that's really good, obviously, from a perspective of taking one trade, basically. This is evidence of the money going into my bank. So obviously this was $1,000, which turns out to £780. And then the $315, which ends up at $245. So the reason being regarding this is, why is this important? It's important because a lot of people, when they do their first challenge and they pass it and they get the funded account, they just think, right, I need to make as much money as possible. That is not what funded accounts are for. Yes, overall, over a long period of time, you want to make as much money as possible, obviously, but you still want to be trading in a sensible manner. So by doing that, what you want to be doing is taking the best trades, not over risking, because the minute you start over risking and over trading, you're going to get into drawdown on your account. Once you're into drawdown on your account, you're going to start getting emotional, you're going to start making stupid decisions, and obviously following that, you're going to end up making a lot of mistakes. And then in hindsight now, you're going to be looking back and annoyed you didn't just stick to your rules. So the biggest thing is, in your first month of a funded account, just aim for a bit of profit. Take one winning trade on normal risk, then fill the rest of the days with 0.01. And then following that, you're going to be able to get your refund so that you are now no longer in debt, so to speak, with the challenge. So what I will most likely do, we'll have an ongoing counter. So I'll work out, obviously there's the £100 to 200, so I need to obviously add that. I need to figure out what I paid for the Fiddle Crest, and what we'll do, we'll get an ongoing tally of the money that we've made from this account, and then obviously over time that will just grow and we can see what we can do with that money. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. Super quick one, because again, this was the first month. We have received a payout for the second month, so what I'm going to do is obviously upload that shortly. Just waiting for that payment to hit my bank. Once that's hit, I will get another video up, and that'll be episode 6. And yeah, we will just continue to try grow this money, grow the account, and then see what we can do with that money, guys. So as we mentioned before, if there's any questions